Let's go. Okay, this way. Config fly. Wait, what? No. Okay, fast. Oh, wait. That's already taken off. Did I just miss my flight? Don't worry, I can just book another flight. Oh yeah, I can book another flight over there, down there. Wait, hold on. Let me just book a new flight. Hello, babe, may I book a new flight? Okay, so the new flight is in 3 seconds. Fast. Very fast, come on. Come on, fast. My new flight is the double decker. Wait, no, they said it was the classic one, not the double decker. Okay, the classic. Let's go. Disaster. Will there be volcanoes erupting now? Sit when the plane is flying so you won't get flung. Okay. But I might jump. Classic was chosen. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I accidentally went into the cockpit. Put my luggage up there. Okay. Let's wait like 30 seconds because the pilot is just delaying the. We need to do off. Plane will leave in 10 seconds. The plane will leave in 5 seconds. Taking off. Taking off, guys. Woo! Ooh. Whoa. We have taken off. Woo! Let's go. And also, guys, I bought a flashlight just in case over here. But this airline doesn't allow flashlight, so whoa, that plane is huge, boy. That news is just useless. Today's news: all the classic plane returns. Woo! What that's. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell's happening? Uh-oh. The place crashed! Oh my god! We have crashed! Oh my god. We gotta go! We have crashed in the water. Let's get out of here! This way! Go! Run to safety! Alright, it is not nighttime, so I don't have to use my flashlight, but everyone is using their flashlight the worst way. But, okay, they put their flashlight away. It's totally nighttime. Let's use our flashlight! Woo! This way? Yeah, this way. Guys, come this way, guys, this way. Okay, they don't listen to me. Hmm. What's this sand wall? This wall trying to stop us, huh? Let's go this way. This way. My legs feel tired now. Wait, what? I see some windows. I see houses. No way, we're here. We're here, guys. Woo! Let's go. We've made it. Woo! We did it. What was that plane? Bro, another plane crash? I don't know what to do with this one. Okay, I'm just going to rest here and make sure to like and subscribe and goodbye guys.